This one is a little bit awkward. Stick around to the end of the video to find out why. Well, here's to thinking there'd be nothing interesting to film today. That's the reason why I didn't bring the meta glasses with me so I can film in first person. I left them at home today because I didn't find a reason to bring them to work on my schedule. Until I saw this. Let me turn the camera around and show you what I'm looking at. I don't even know what's going on here. I just know that they called us out so that they can get a price on an inspection, and they're gonna need a price on a little bit more than an inspection before we can even get started. And let me show you what I'm talking about. Alrighty then, what happened here? Alright, I mean, clearly the main blew out and ran for a while, and maybe they were working on redoing the suction line, because that's dug out as well. Alright, let's see what's behind door number 1. A couple of big toads. I don't see where this blew out at. But clearly it did somewhere, and maybe all of this repairing that was done here is part of it. I'm almost afraid to turn this on. I mean, I probably shouldn't. Look at all the electrical hazards. Let's see what's behind door number 2. Oh, it's another pump station. Another controller. All right, well, I'm gonna open these up a bit more, take a closer look, and see what I see. So they've got the other irrigation company out here pulling the pumps out so that a construction contractor can put a new slab in. It was an awkward situation. Awkward situation because as I was talking to the property manager or the president, the irrigation company came walking up to do an inspection on the system. Evidently, that system ran too hot. It melted the suction line and then melted the discharge line at the threads, which blew the threads off the discharge line and then washed out that whole pump station. Not exactly sure how that went down, except that zone number 18 had time on it and no wire connected to it.